Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects your smile, your confidence, and even your overall health. How to take care of your teeth every single day. You might think you've got it all figured out, but I guarantee there are some game-changing tips in here you haven't heard before. Let's get started on building that perfect, healthy smile. First things first, the absolute foundation of dental care: brushing. We all know we should brush our teeth, but how often is enough? The golden rule is at least twice a day, once in the morning and, most importantly, right before you go to bed. When you sleep, your saliva production decreases, which makes your mouth a perfect breeding ground for bacteria. Brushing before bed cleans out the food particles and plaque that have built up all day. Now, what you brush with is just as important as when you brush. Always choose a toothpaste that contains fluoride. Fluoride is a mineral that's like a superhero for your enamel. It helps to remineralize and strengthen your tooth enamel, making it more resistant to acid attacks from plaque bacteria and sugars in your mouth. Think of it as armor for your teeth. But brushing alone can't reach everywhere. That's where flossing comes in. Brushing cleans the front, back, and top surfaces of your teeth, but what about the spaces in between? That's about 35% of your tooth surface. Flossing is the only way to effectively remove plaque and food particles stuck between your teeth and under the gum line. If you don't floss, you're leaving a huge portion of your teeth dirty, which can lead to cavities and gum disease. So make flossing a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Let's talk about your toothbrush. Are you using the same one you bought last year? It's time for a change. You should replace your toothbrush or toothbrush head if you use an electric one every 3 to 4 months. Over time, the bristles become frayed and worn out, making them less effective at cleaning your teeth. Plus, an old toothbrush can harbor bacteria. A good rule of thumb is to replace it when the seasons change. And how are you brushing? Are you scrubbing away like you're trying to clean a tough stain off the floor? If so, you need to ease up. Brushing too hard can actually damage your tooth enamel and irritate your gums, causing them to recede. Receding gums can expose the sensitive root of your tooth. Use a soft bristled brush and gentle circular motions. The goal is to massage your teeth and gums, not to assault them. Let the bristles do the work. Don't forget your tongue. Your tongue is covered in tiny bumps that can trap bacteria, leading to bad breath and other oral health problems. Gently brushing your tongue or using a tongue scraper every time you brush your teeth can significantly reduce the amount of bacteria in your mouth and keep your breath fresh. It's a simple step that makes a huge difference. A quick and easy habit to adopt is rinsing your mouth with water after every meal. This helps to wash away food particles and neutralize the acids that can harm your enamel. It's not a substitute for brushing, but it's a great way to give your teeth some extra protection throughout the day, especially when you can't brush right away. Now let's talk diet. What you eat has a massive impact on your dental health. Sugary foods and drinks are the main culprits behind tooth decay. The bacteria in your mouth feed on sugar, producing acids that eat away at your enamel. Try to limit your intake of sodas, candies, and sugary snacks. When you do indulge, try to have them with a meal rather than snacking on them throughout the day. On the flip side, what should you be drinking more of? Water. Water is fantastic for your oral health. It helps wash away food debris and keeps your mouth hydrated. A dry mouth is more prone to cavities because saliva is your body's natural defense against acid. Saliva helps remineralize your teeth and wash away food, so staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water is key to producing enough of it. Here's a serious one: smoking and tobacco products. They are devastating for your oral health. They stain your teeth, cause bad breath, and significantly increase your risk of gum disease and oral cancer. Quitting is one of the best things you can do, not just for your teeth, but for your entire body. Regular checkups are non-negotiable. You should visit your dentist for a cleaning and checkup every 6 months, or as recommended by your dental professional. Your dentist can spot potential problems like cavities, gum disease, or even oral cancer before they become serious. Plus, a professional cleaning removes tartar buildup that you can't get rid of with just a toothbrush and floss at home. Have you ever noticed a little pink in the sink after brushing? Don't ignore bleeding gums. It's often the first sign of gingivitis, the earliest stage of gum disease. If your gums are bleeding, it's a sign that they are inflamed due to plaque buildup. Improve your brushing and flossing routine, and if it doesn't get better within a week or two, see your dentist. For an extra layer of defense, consider using an antiseptic or fluoride mouthwash. It can help kill bacteria, reduce plaque, prevent or reduce gingivitis, and freshen your breath. It's a great way to finish off your oral hygiene routine, reaching corners of your mouth that brushing and flossing might have missed. Just remember, it's a supplement to, not a replacement for, brushing and flossing. Your diet can also build stronger teeth from the inside out. Eating calcium-rich foods like milk, cheese, yogurt, and leafy greens helps to strengthen your teeth and bones. Your teeth are made of minerals, and a diet rich in calcium helps to keep them strong and healthy. Be mindful of what you put in your mouth. Your teeth are strong, but they are not tools. Avoid biting on hard objects like ice, popcorn kernels, or pen caps. This can easily lead to a chipped or broken tooth, which can be painful and expensive to fix. Treat your teeth with care. If you play sports, especially contact sports, a mouthguard is essential. A mouthguard is a protective device that covers your teeth and gums to prevent and reduce injury to your teeth, arches, lips, and gums. It's a small investment that can save you from a major dental emergency. If your dentist does find a cavity, get it treated early. A small cavity is easy and relatively inexpensive to fix with a simple filling. If left untreated, it can grow larger, leading to a toothache, infection, and the need for more complex procedures like a root canal or even tooth extraction. Early detection and treatment are key. The frequency of your eating also matters. Avoid frequent snacking between meals. Every time you eat or drink something sugary, the bacteria in your mouth produce acid for about 20 minutes. If you're constantly snacking, your teeth are under a continuous acid attack. Try to stick to main meals and choose healthy, sugar-free snacks if you get hungry in between. If you like to chew gum, make sure it's sugar-free. Chewing sugar-free gum after a meal can actually be good for your teeth. It stimulates saliva production, which, as we've learned, helps to neutralize acids and wash away food particles. Look for gums with xylitol, which has been shown to reduce bacteria. All these habits combine to give you one very desirable result: fresh breath. Good oral hygiene is the #1 way to combat bad breath or halitosis. By keeping your teeth, gums, and tongue clean, you eliminate the bacteria and food debris that cause odors. Here's one you might not have considered: manage your stress. High levels of stress can lead to teeth grinding, also known as bruxism, often during sleep. Grinding can wear down your teeth, cause jaw pain, and even lead to fractures. If you wake up with a sore jaw or headache, talk to your dentist. They might recommend a night guard to protect your teeth. Let's circle back to brushing, specifically at night. I want to stress this again. Always brush your teeth before bed. No excuses. This is the most important brushing session of the day, to ensure your teeth are clean and protected while you sleep. Another quick tip: avoid brushing your teeth immediately after consuming acidic drinks or foods like orange juice or soda. These acids temporarily soften your enamel. If you brush right away, you can actually scrub away some of that softened enamel. It's better to wait about 30 minutes to an hour before brushing. And finally, if you have children, start them early. Teach children proper brushing habits as soon as their first tooth appears. Good habits formed in childhood are more likely to last a lifetime. Make it a fun and positive part of their daily routine. Remember, a healthy mouth is a key part of a healthy body. The bacteria from gum disease can enter your bloodstream and have been linked to other health problems like heart disease and diabetes. Taking care of your teeth is an investment in your overall well-being. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips help you on your journey to a healthier, brighter smile. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.